Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to check the brake pads. I've done a video already on my channel on how to check your brake disc, so if you haven't checked that out, go check it out now. So my bro Yed from Mercedes is going to show you how to do this. He knows more about this stuff than me, so yeah, I'm going to let him take over. So I hope you enjoy. Please hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of January 2019, so please subscribe. And yeah guys, I'll leave you to Yed, and he's going to take you he's going to show you a few techniques on how to check your brake pads without taking off the wheel. So yeah, hope you enjoy.
Hey guys, it's Yed back again. I'm going to be showing you how to check if your brake pads are worn out. Okay, so I recently changed mine. My one are fresh, so I'm going to show you how the fresh ones look like. As you can see, okay, there's a bit of, I don't know, I ran over some paint or something. Anyways, no worries about that. So as you can see, wait, let me try and get a better closer view. Okay, you see that metal part there that's hitting the disc? As you can see, it's very thick. That's because it's fresh. I literally got it changed yesterday. The black shiny part there. Wait, if I could get my hand on it. No, I can't. Wait. Okay, I can't. Okay, yeah, I got it now. Wait, let's see. Yeah, there. So that has to be thick. That means it's fresh. So to know if it's worn out, it's gonna go down in time. Every time you press and brake, that goes down. You should change it every, say, 3 years. I mean, I haven't changed my back ones, so I'll show you my back ones now. Let's go into it. Oh, it's a bit rusty. As you can see, it's there. Yeah, and that's like halfway, so I still got time to change it. Yeah, and that's about it. And like my boy's YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like buttons. I think he's giving away a few gifts at the end of the month. So yeah, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed the video, mate.